In today's video, we're going to be replacing the screen and battery on the Series 1 Apple Watch. All the tools needed for this repair will be linked down in the video's description below. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
The screen for the watch is adhered to the housing using a sticky adhesive. You can soften the adhering adhesive by using a blow dryer or a heat gun. Heat the screen up until it is too hot to touch. Then take a thin blade and insert it in between the screen and the housing of the watch. Carefully run the blade along the edge of the screen. If the blade starts getting difficult to move, then reapply heat to the screen and continue prying along the edge of the watch. Once the screen comes off, remove the silver plate covering the two flex cables for the LCD and digitizer. This is the hardest part of the repair. Now disconnect the flex cables by putting a finger on one of the connections while disconnecting the other. Do that for both. Set aside the broken screen. Replacing the battery is simple. Take a prying tool that won't penetrate the battery and slowly pry it out from the top right edge. Hold the flex cable connection for the battery and pull the battery out of the housing of the watch. The easiest way to connect the new battery is by placing your index finger behind the cable, align the battery, and press it until you hear this satisfying click. Remove the plastic behind the battery and stick it onto the housing of the watch. Now put some B7000 glue around the edge of the watch. Align and connect the LCD and digitizer. You want to test the watch before you do anything else. Then glue the screen down to the housing of the watch. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. All the tools needed for this repair, once again, will be down in the video's description below. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.